Stand up. Greeting to our teacher. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good, thank you. And you can sit down, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you're welcome. By the way, class, before we are going to study, have you been afraid?
No, ma'am.
Now, okay, Farah, you can lead your friends, please.
Mom and all, before we are going to study, let's pray together. Pray begins. A'udzubillahiminasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin.
Amin. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, baik. Rafli, can you mention what a day today?
The date is 7 October 2024, ma'am.
Okay. So now let me check your name, please. Who is not attend today? Who is not attend today? Siapa yang nggak hadir hari ini? Siapa? Zidan. Where is Zidan? Absent. And then not see Vanessa. Where is Vanessa? Absent. Why absent? Ya. Galuh, Alia Galuh, sick. Okay. Cindy, Nia Suci, Galuh, and then Vanessa, and then Jildan. Okay, no problem. If they cannot attend today, you can share the material today in a group with your friends. They cannot attend for following our material today, right? Okay, guys, are you ready to deliver your material? Yes. Okay, so I want to give you for material, but before I explain your material, I want to give you ice breaking to support our material and make me enjoy this material, right? And that I mean that these videos will be increase our vocabulary and up our spirit today, right? Okay, first time you must be pick up your pen, please, and then you can stand up. Okay, listen for my instruction first. These videos will be sing the song and then dance. And you must be practice this dance with your way, and then you can enjoy, and then you can following this dance and then the song, right? Understand? Yeah. Okay. Pick up your pen first. This a pen and then this apple. Let's practice the dance, please. Apple pen. I have a pen. I have an apple. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Come on, you can enjoy and you can louder with your friends. Apple pen. Okay, practice this dance. You can allow, don't be shy. practice this dance. Okay, Farah, are you happy? I have a pen. I have a pen. Okay, long pen. I have a pen. I have a pineapple. Pineapple, pineapple. Long pen. Purple pineapple. Okay, dance. Okay, you can stop and give applause for us. Are you enjoy, guys? You can sit down. Okay, guys. Before I want to deliver our material, I want to deliver this topic. Our today is following the instruction, especially for procedure text. Yeah, today we are going for procedure text. But before I want to explain about the procedure text, I want to share how do you know about the procedure text with the quizzes. Yeah, so prepare your handphone first. Yeah. Okay, if you have not a handphone, you can join with your friends like Pascalina and then Rafli, Izzat. Do you have handphone? Okay. So, let me give you for the link, and then you can check the link on the WhatsApp, and then you can click the link, and then you can join the quizzes. All right. Finish? Finish? All of you finish? Okay, I want to play the quizzes now. You have a problem to join these quizzes? No? Okay, the time is a play. Go. There is any Alpha, Nurul Shifa, Pandita, Rido, Sela. What about all of you? January, welcome to the join these quizzes. Aditya Fajar. Okay. Can you join these quizzes? Sela, can you join these quizzes? Yes? Alpha. What about Jonathan? Huh? You cannot join these quizzes? Okay. You can work with your friends. Farah, no? Okay, you have a problem for these quizzes. You can see with your friends. Okay. Adit, bisa? Good. Kapan sekali nah? Kita bisa join sama Syifa. Bisa nggak? Nggak bisa. Oke, let's see sini. Kita pas kamu. Pandita, oke. Vivi, Alfa. Oke, Alfa Setiawan got 3 score. Sela, oke. Bagaimana Jonathan? Finish? All of you finish? Not yet? There is any Zelika, Jonathan, Nurul Syifa, ya, Aditya Fajar, Vivi Putri, Rido and Farah. Sela Mutia finish. Finish. All of you finish? Finish? Okay. I will be stop the quizzes now. All right. Pandia. Okay, give applause for Sela Mutia. That Sela got the first for the quizzes, and then Rido the third, and then the second winner is who? So class, if you are finished to make it the quizzes, if you are got the 40 score, you can sit in a group 3, and then if you are got 60 score, you can sit in the second group. And then if you are got the 80 score, or all of you got the final score and then the winner score, you can sit in a group 1 here. Okay, come on, stand up and then searching your member groups. roughly? Where are your groups? Group 2. You can sit here. Yeah, that's for your groups. Finish? There is any Gaby, Fajar, and Sela. This is a group 1, right? And then 2, and then the last one is 3. Okay, good. If you are sit in a group, so now let me explain for our material, especially for what? Procedure text. So, if you are not a question, let me explain the procedure text. Look at in front of the whiteboard, please. Yeah. So, can you look at this procedure text, the material? Yes? Okay. So, I want to ask you, what is procedure text here? Rido, can you reading what is a procedure text? Procedure text is, all of you, procedure text is? Yeah, procedure text is a text that explains how to use or make a something. So, jadi I want to explain in Indonesian language, procedure text itu adalah teks yang menjelaskan bagaimana cara membuat cara membuat dan menggunakan sesuatu. Yeah. And then next, there is the purpose of procedure text. What is the purpose of the procedure text? Okay. Roughly, can you reading? What is the purpose of the procedure text?
The purpose of the procedure text is to show how something is made or used or done through the sequence of steps.
Iya, in Indonesian language, tujuan dari prosedur teks adalah untuk menunjukkan bagaimana sesuatu itu dibuat, digunakan dalam langkah-langkah penggunaannya. That is for procedure text. Okay, next. Any question? No? Okay. I will be continue for the generic structure on the procedure text. First, there is any three parts. Yeah, what the parts of the structure of procedure text? There are goals, and then what is that? Goals, material, and so what is goal? Good. Jadi dalam prosedur teks itu ada yang namanya tujuan. The second one is materials. So what is material in Indonesia? Bahan yang akan digunakan untuk membuat sesuatu dalam prosedur teks. Ya, okay, good. And then the last one is what is step? Iya, langkah-langkah dalam menggunakan atau membuat sesuatu. So, from here, any question? No? Can I continue the explaining? Good. Next. All right. On the procedure text, have language feature of procedure text. First, there is any? Yeah, simple present tense. Yeah, procedure text must be written using simple present tense. This is because in procedure text there are a common sentence about how to make or do a something. Jadi in Indonesian language. Jadi kalau mau membuat procedure text ya, kita harus menggunakan kalimat present tense. Ini karena apa? Karena kita sedang menunjukkan ya, menunjukkan atau yang sedang terjadi. So we must be using the simple present tense. Remember, what is the formula of simple present tense? Formulanya apa aja? Subject plus verb 1 s or es plus or complement. Ya, this is for simple present. Good. Next, the second one is the imperative sentence or using action verbs. Oke, kemudian di imperative sentence ini adalah kalimat apa in Indonesia? Ada yang tahu?
Perintah.
Kalimat perintah. What about action verb? Remember, what is action verb?
Kata kerja.
Ya, kata kerja, tindakan. Contoh, ya, imperative sentence. Can you give me example for imperative sentence? Ayo, di mana contohnya di sini? Ada nggak? Ada nggak di sini? So, we don't need to use a subject at the beginning of the sentences. Ini untuk untuk action verbnya ya. Add 3 onions and iya, this is for imperative sentence. Adalah kalimat perintah. So, where is the action verb here? Di mana kalimat kata kerja tindakannya yang mana? Ya, mix. Eat well. Ya, ini mix adalah kata kerja yang sedang melakukan suatu tindakan. And then add. Look at her. Add. Add itu apa artinya Indonesia? Ia tambahkan. Tindakannya adalah dia sedang menambahkan. What about mix? Mencampur. Ya, tindakannya adalah sedang mencampur. Ingat, remember ya. So next, the third is number to show the sequences. So in the procedure text, we must using the number of the show to the sequences, like first, and then the secondly, and then after that, and finally. Usually, we use the word like firstly, we gonna mix the juice with the sugar like that, and then the secondly, this is for our example. And then the last one is adverb. There is adverb like there are 2 types of adverb used in procedure text. Normally, first, adverb of time. You can look at on the whiteboard, please. Ya, di situ ada adverb of time. Ya, what is adverb of time? Contohnya kayak gini. In 10 minutes. Ya, there is to show us there is time, waktu, yaitu kata keterangan waktu. Berapa lama kita harus memasak misalnya, atau berapa lama kita harus mengoperasikan bagaimana cara pembuatannya gitu ya. Ini adverb of time adalah kata keterangan waktu, menunjukkan seberapa lama kita menggunakan waktu. So, and then the last one is adverb of manner or information on how to do something. Example, slowly, and then well, and then evenly. Adverb of manner adalah kata keterangan untuk menunjukkan suatu informasi. Ya. There is a kind of procedure text. From here, any questions?
No.
No? Are you understand? All of you, are you understand? Gaby? No? So, can I back the material? Ya, yang mana? Yang mana yang belum jelas? Boleh ditanyakan tentang apa? Mungkin adverb of manner, atau language features-nya, atau generic structure-nya. Yang mana, Gaby? Generic structure. Okay, I will be back and then explain once more for the generic structure because Gaby they didn't understand for generic structure, right? Sebelum Memvita jelaskan lagi, Memvita kembali ke generic structure ya. So if you want to make it the procedure text or write the procedure text, you must be remember you must be make the ya, kamu harus buat tujuannya dulu, Gaby. Misalnya Gaby mau mengoperasikan, misalnya contohnya ya, mengoperasikan komputer, ya. How to open the computer? Ini kan tujuannya kita, bagaimana caranya membuka komputer. Atau how to make a juice, misalnya, bagaimana cara membuatnya jus. There is a goal. Jadi kalau kita mau buat procedure text, kita harus buat tujuannya terlebih dahulu. Jelas ya? Kemudian the second one is material. So when we are open the computer, bahan-bahannya apa aja yang harus ada? Terutama ya pastinya ada komputer atau laptopnya. Kemudian yang kedua ada apanya? Listrik. That is for material, ya. That different with the food, ya. Beda lagi kalau kita mau bikin makanan, bahan-bahannya apa aja kalau mau bikin jus misalnya, ada gula, ada gelas, ada buah, susu dan lain-lain. Ya, that is for our materials. And then step, langkah-langkahnya dalam pembuatannya atau menggunakannya. Gitu ya. Otomatis kalau kita menggunakan laptop, itu langkah-langkahnya pertama bagaimana? Kita cok dulu di listrik, kemudian kita sambungkan di komputer, kemudian kita buka. Paham, Gaby? Sampai sini? Ya, oke. Can I continue the next material? Yes, okay. Okay, there is kinds of procedure text. Look at on the whiteboard, please. Procedure text that explain how to operate use something. Example include how to use an air fryer, how to use a dishwasher, how to use a kamera. Jadi kalau yang pertama ya, procedure text that explain how to operate, especially to use the air fryer, kemudian a dishwasher, how to use a kamera, especially for the electronic. Misalnya ya, yang nomor satu ini adalah text procedure untuk menggunakan barang-barang elektronik. Dia ada barang-barang yang benar-benar bisa operasikan. And then the second one is procedure text that provides instruction for performing certain activities. Ya, example include how to play the violin. Do you know what is a violin? Violin itu apa? Biola. Ya, biola atau piano. Kalau piano piano. Violin berarti biola. Kemudian how to create a website. Bagaimana cara menggunakan website? Do you have website here? No. Ya, belum ada yang punya website kan? Yeah. And maybe next time we can try to make a website. And how to make rendang. Do you like rendang?
Of course.
Do you have been experience to make it the rendang? Or eating a rendang? Yeah, all of you eating a rendang? Yes? Okay. How to make a rendang? So you didn't know for how to make a rendang, but you have been experienced to eat the rendang, right? Jadi kalau untuk buatnya belum pernah, tapi makannya udah, gitu ya. Sudah ya? Oke. Jadi yang teks kedua ini bagaimana cara menginstruksikan atau performing, menampilkan aktivitas dalam membuat sesuatu. Contohnya membuat ya, that's for our procedure test. From here, do you have a question? No? If you didn't have questions, let's practice reading together for this text, ya. Jadi di sini ada teks, kita akan membaca sama-sama. All of you, are you ready? Ready. Yeah, if you are ready, what is the title of the text? Yeah. How to insert SIM card telepon. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Reading together. Baca nggak? Dibaca. Baca. Okay, so from here, are you understand to how to insert SIM card to the telephone? Yes? Okay, I mean that all of you here have handphone, right? Yeah. So, have you been experienced to insert the SIM card to the telephone? Yes? Iya kan punya pengalaman, punya handphone semua ya. Nah, di sini kan bagaimana caranya memasukkan SIM card. Apa itu SIM card? Kartu? Ya, kartu untuk di handphone. Tadi sudah ada langkah-langkahnya. So, from here I have a question from you guys. There is the question first. Yeah. Listen for my question and you will be try answer based on the text. Ya. Jadi saya punya pertanyaan, silahkan dijawab berdasarkan teks yang sudah dibaca. Alright. The first question. What are those the text about? What are those the text about? Ayo. Ya, oke Adit.
The text is about the information on how to SIM card your phone.
Okay, that's the answer is true or false? Jawabannya benar atau salah? Iya, jadi Adit say that. Okay, give applause. Ya, jadi Adit menjawab. Memvita tanya apa tadi? What are those the text about? Ya, teks apa sih? Tadi yang udah kita baca yaitu tentang teks apa? Memberikan suatu informasi bagaimana caranya memasukkan kartu dalam handphone. Ya. The second question. Listen ya. Okay. The second question, who will probably need to read the text?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Everyone who has cell phone.
Everyone has a cell phone, right? There is the true or false answering. Jawabannya benar atau salah?
Benar.
Iya, siapa yang bisa menggunakan atau memasukkan kartu SIM ini? Siapa saja yang punya telepon atau handphone? The third question. What are the purpose of the text? Ayo. Apa tujuan dari teks ini? Iya, oh Syifa. Iya, the purpose of the edge test is how to something done complete stroke to the apa tadi? Jawabannya Syifa, to the sequence of step. Ya, jadi tujuannya adalah untuk menunjukkan kita bagaimana langkah-langkah dalam memasukkan kartu SIM. SIM itu udah kartu. Jadi kalau kamu bilang kartu SIM berarti kartu ya. The last question. Ya. Satu lagi di sini coba jawab ya. Oke. What is the benefit of reading text? Ayo. Oh, Alpha. Oke, good.
The benefit of reading this text is the reference will know how to insert SIM card telephone.
Iya, that is a similar answering with the question number 3. Jadi pertanyaannya yang tadi itu hampir jawabannya sama dengan pertanyaan yang nomor 3 atau yang tadi habis dijawab dengan Syifa. Ya, dengan yang nomor 2 yaitu menunjukkan kepada pembaca bagaimana caranya memasukkan kartu SIM di dalam telepon. Sampai sini ada pertanyaan? Nothing? Okay. So guys, here's parts of the text on the text for the SIM card. Ya, parts of the text. Look at for the parts of the text, and then the function of the parts. First, there is any goals. What is the goal of the text? Based our reading together. Tadi udah kita baca bareng-bareng teksnya. So sekarang Memvita tanya, goalsnya apa aja tadi? To tell how to. Ya, tujuannya, goal itu adalah tujuan, jadi tujuannya adalah how to. Iya, all of you, once more. Satu kali lagi dibaca, ayo yang sini, Sela and friends. Can you look at on the whiteboard please? Ya, what is the goal? Itu ada di papan tulis, can you reading? The goal is how? Yang paling atas. To tell. To tell how to insert SIM card telepon. What is the materials? Apa aja materialnya? Ingat, remember, what is the material? Bahan atau alatnya. Alat-alat apa aja yang ada? Ya, especially berarti di sini materialsnya disebutkan not required for all procedure tests. Ya, di sini telling the material needed. Misalnya yang kita butuhkan di sini untuk how to insert the SIM card telepon, berarti kita harus memasukkan harus yang pertama handphone, and then the second one SIM, and then charger maybe. Yeah, you need the charger, and then what is that? Cable. Cable. And then the last one is step. Okay, we have been finished to reading the step based on the text. Ya, tadi kita udah baca teksnya, jadi kita we don't need to read once more. Ya, di sini look at the first, after that, next, then, and then finally. And then the function is describing the step to achieve the purpose, yaitu mendeskripsikan langkah-langkah dan tujuan. Right. And then look at for the language features. Yeah. Based on the text that we are reading together, language features the composed of procedure text, you will need present tense. Example: press the locking catch, put the battery, slide the cover forward, button of the phone, and then do not use ammonia in the some wash. Ya, di sini contohnya ada press the locking catch atau put the battery. Yang paling gampang aja ya. Memvita kasih contoh kalimat yang menggunakan simple present tense. Ya, put the battery. Ya, put the battery. What is a put? Ini adalah verb. Ya. The battery is object. So di sini ada kalimat action verb. Di mana kalimat action verb we don't need ya, kita tidak perlu menggunakan subjek, langsung kata kerja tindakan. Ya, there is simple present tense. And then next, action verb. Di situ ada pause and then insert. What is a pause? Ya, didorong. Jadi kalau di handphone, example, ya, di sini ada tempatnya untuk SIM card, and then you must be pause. Ya, contohnya di sini kamu dorong. Biasanya pakai apa? Iya, pakai jarum kan? Ya, you must be pause and then put the SIM card. Ya, good. Next, number to show the sequence. There is any first, second, and then third. We gonna back to the text. Nah, example. First of all, ya. Jadi kita menggunakan kata first, second, then, and then finally on the text. Good. Next. Ini ya. Ada adverb, kata slowly, usually. Apa itu slowly? Iya, yaitu adverb of sequences, yaitu kata kerja penunjuk, ya, pelan-pelan. From here, any question for my material? Nothing. Okay. If you all understand, here's I want to show you how to operate the blender, especially on the videos. Oh, wait.
My name is Sudin Santi.
My name is Krishna Aryangar. My name is Muhammad Biku. My name is
They want to practice how to use a blender. Excuse me, can I? kan. Okay, finish. How do you feel when you are watching these videos? How do you feel? Bagaimana perasaannya yang nonton videonya mereka? Haus. You are feeling thirsty? Yes? Yeah. Okay, after this material, you can go to the canteen and then buy the pop ice. Alright. Next, I have a questions based on the videos. Okay, what are they doing? Based on the video, what are they doing? Okay, raise your hand please. What are they doing on the video? Okay, Putri Mawi. Make a pop ice, right? Make a pop ice? Yes? Okay, yes. What are they doing? They are making pop ice. What is their purpose? Apa tujuannya mereka? To show? Yeah, to show? Come on, Pandita. You will try? Oh, okay, Rafli.
To show how to make pop ice.
Yeah, to show how to make pop ice. Give applause for Rafli and Mawi. Yeah. And then the last one, find the difficulties words that you hear from videos. Tadi sudah dengar videonya semua?
Ya.
Oke. Kata apa yang sulit untuk kalian terjemahkan di bahasa Indonesia? Apa? Coba. Unplug itu apa sih? Ada yang tahu nggak? Unplug itu berarti unplug itu jangan lupa dicokkan. Unplug, remember, biasanya di charger, cas HP ada yang namanya kalau pas ngecok itu ada tulisannya unplug. Alright, that's a finish for our material. So next, I want to give you for the tasks, in a group based on your way. First, for group 1, I will give you for the task writing for procedure text. Okay, for the title, I want to give your free title. Memvita kasih bebas, kamu mau nulis procedure text for what? But this is especially for now, you must write this procedure text based on the picture below. Do you know what is this? Hair dryer. Okay, so you must be writing the goal and then the step and then the material. That's for your groups, right? And then, where is the group 2? Here or here? Okay, group 2. There is any task that you must be first read the text below and follow the instruction. And then you will find the parts of the text and then the language features. Understand? Yes. If you have a question, you can ask me. Right? Okay. For group 3, group 3, I have for group 3, I have Manila, and then you will be match this picture based on the instruction. You will be stamp the picture in the Manila, kertas Manila. Kemudian nanti digunting. You can catch the picture and then stamp on the Manila. And then you must write down the function of the picture. Understand? Ya, jadi nanti dikerjakan dulu gambarnya, ditempel, and then ditulis gambarnya, apa fungsi dari gambar tersebut. Ya, Ita, you can sit here with your friends. Oke. Nah, silahkan dikerjakan ini, nak. Ya, oke nih. Kamu boleh gunting-gunting kertasnya, ya. Okay guys, listen for my instruction. If you have a problem and difficulties, you can ask me, ya. And then you can do it your task for 50 minutes, ya. Berapa? 15 menit. Oke. Oke, dikerjakan dibalik ini, dibalik. First, Gabby and friends, you must be find the function of the blender. Yeah, you can mix and match the picture and then the sentence. Like number 1, picture number 1 with the function with. Misalnya gambar blender ini fungsinya untuk apa sih, Gabby dan teman-teman ya? Pascalina duduk sini dong. Aku tulis. Gabby and friends di mix and match di sini boleh, nak? Nah, biar cepet ya. Remember that I want to give you for 15 minutes ya. Berapa menit? 15 menit. Cepat ya. Oke. Okay. You are finished to find the goal. Sudah? Goalsnya udah dapat? Okay. You can do it. You can write the writing. Vivi and friends. Lovely.
Next.
Okay. Yeah. If you have or find the difficulties of words, you can open the dictionary online, ya. Boleh pakai dictionary online. And if you are not find the meaning on the dictionary online, you can ask me. Adverb tadi ada adverb of manner and adverb of time, ya kan? Banyak, ya. Oke. Pascalina juga yang stamp the picture. Ya, boleh. Who write the picture with the instruction? Sini. Siapa yang nulis biar cepat? What?
Ini nanti pas kenalan tuh nanti diobrolkan.
Finish. A komputer. Boleh ditulis nak. Iya. Ya, Ita boleh stamp this picture. You can open this double tip like this, and then you can stamp on the manila. Ya. Okay, Pascalina. Debbie, you have been translate in Indonesia? Not yet? Nanti kalau ada yang tanya pakai itu what is the meaning, what is that, gitu gimana? Nanti jawabnya gimana? Oke. Find the meaning first. Nah, misalnya kayak gini, an electrical device for. Nah, itu misalnya itu apa sih artinya? Nanti kalau ada teman yang tidak paham dengan kalimatmu, kamu boleh ini, apa namanya nak? Translate ke bahasa Indonesia. Ya, boleh. Untuk memudahkan semuanya kan? Ya, silakan. Finish to write down? Yes. Okay. Group 2. Do you find the adverb of time from the text? Can I see? Step 2, cook rice. There is for adverb step. Ingat, adverb itu ada kata keterangan penunjuk dan kata keterangan waktu. Ada nggak di situ di dalam teksnya? Ada nggak kalimat penunjuk? Ada nggak waktunya di situ? Berapa menit? Mana? No. Example adverb of time-nya itu berarti kayak gini nak. Misalnya nih, usually one part rise to one. Ini one part. Satu kali. Rasionya biasanya 1 kali. Ya kan? Itu masuk di adverb itu.
Berarti nanti terus di sini nyaman.
Iya.
Berarti yang ini salah.
Mana?
First, next.
No. Step itu langkah kan? Nggak usah. No. Cook rice itu bukan. Ini malah masuk di verb. Ya kan, action. Cook itu kan kerja, kata kerja. Bukan di adverb, nak. Oke? Ini udah ada. Betul. Mana Rafli? Mana Rafli?
Ya, Bu.
Cook, next, first, and then. Oke, good. Ada kata finally-nya nggak? Ini ada.
Oh man.
Okay, this text show for the number of sequence. There is number of sequence, ya kan?
First, next, then finally.
Betul. And then adverb.
Adverb.
Remember, adverb itu ada adverb of time and then adverb of manner, ya kan? Adverb of time itu berarti menunjukkan waktunya, berapa lama, ya kan? Berapa kali.
Do not drag the rest too long.
Too long. And then adverb of manner berarti kata penunjuknya, ya. Di sini Adit and friends mana? Coba. Mana Rido? Coba. You must be know what is adverb of there is any two adverb of time and adverb of manner. So, Adit, adverb of time itu apa, Adit? Ingat dulu. Sebelum kerja tuh diingat dulu. Kata kerja
Waktu.
Nah, kalau yang satunya adverb of manner itu kata kerja
Penunjuk.
Nah, di situ ada nggak step tuh? Itu salah tuh. Ini salah. Nah, contohnya, look at for the text. Ada? Apa saja? Yang mana?
Yang adverb.
Iya, begini.
One part sama
What happened? Finish. Wow.
Nipis.
Equals, materials, and steps.
Okay. You are divided your friends to make your groups for goals, and then this is for material, and then the next step. Good. Yeah. But I mean, you must be write the different paper in one paper, and then if you are finished, you can sending on my WhatsApp. Yeah, and then you will be presentation on the whiteboard. Okay, presentation with using my laptop. Yeah.
yang go
You can taking the picture
di go.
or your scanner.
Material sebenarnya
Okay, finish. Finish ya. Finish. Ayo, hurry up. Finish? Yeah. If you are finish, group 1 and group 2, please a presentation first. Yeah, group 1. You can sending the picture on my WhatsApp first, and then you will be presentation here. Yeah. Mana ya? Vivi, you can sending the picture to presentation, please. Yeah, ayo Vi. Come on. Group 1, presentation first. And group 3 must be focused. Please. You can sit here. Presentation here. Okay. Okay, all of you, look at the previous groups. Gaby and friends. Excuse me, there is any mic.
Mau bantu temannya bimbing.
Okay, attention please. Group 2 and group 3. Group 1 will be a presentation their work. Come on.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, ma'am and friend. I'm from group 1. My name is Panditarian Bagus Saputra.
My name is Farah Anissa Ramawati.
My name is Alfa Stiwan.
My name is Vivi Putri Wulandari.
My name is Nurul Sifa. My name is Jelika Cayanestianti.
My name is Sylvia Marsha Ayu.
My name is Jinwat Irzan Sasongko.
My name is Putri Mawi Utami. We will present about how to use a hair dryer. Goals to dry hair with hot power. Apart from drying, it can also be used to correct furrowed hair stylists with the help of a brush or comb.
Materials: hair dryer, wet hair, and cable roll.
First step, firstly, connect the hair dryer cable to the cable rolls. Secondly, turn on the button on the hair dryer. Then, wait for 5 minutes to heat up. After that, direct it to the hair dryer to dry it. Finally, your hair will be dry after that. That's all for our presentation. I will open a question and answer session.
Group 2 and group 3, let's make the question for group 1. Yeah, okay, here.
Do you know the effects of using a hair dryer too often?
Yes, the hair will be congry and dull if you don't hair and high vitamins.
Okay. Yes, understand? Okay, good. Pertama buat versi yang bertanya, next, group 3, Stella. Okay, order your voice please, Stella ya. Okay.
Yang keras.
Do you use hair dryer? How does it feel?
No, but I have used it at the salon. It feel warm on the head and the hair dries quickly.
Okay, Stella asked that, do you have been experience to the using hair dryer? And Pandita saying no, but you have been experience to the go to the salon, right?
Yes.
Yeah, give applause for
Yes.
group 1. Ada lagi pertanyaan? Nothing? Okay, you can close your presentation.
That's all for our presentation and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, come on, you can sit down. And then group 2. Yeah. Yeah, look at for group 2. They will be explain how to cook rice in a rice cooker, right? Okay, which first person?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am. This morning in group 2 will be presentation. My name is Rido Ameswara Paliama.
My name is Rafi Rashid Arifin.
My name is Yunia Khairul Nisa.
My name is Chelsea Rantekata.
My name is Karisma Melandri.
My name is Aditya Ramadhani.
My name is Sylvia Wayulianti.
My name is Aditya Fajar Ariandi.
First, you will read the sign language to understand the procedure text below. Make sure that you know the meaning of every word.
If you find some words that you do not understand their meaning yet, then consult the dictionary. Second, to read each text. Text 1 and 2 loudly as if you're giving the instruction and take a note on your book. If possible, record your voice. Text 2. How to cook rice in the rice cooker. First, rinse a cup of rice in the cold water. Rub the rice softly under running water. Do not rub the rice too long because it will lose the nutrients. Wash the rice once again, then drain the water from the rice. Next, add a cup of water. If you cook rice using an electronic rice cooker, pay attention to the water ratio. The rice and the water ratio is usually 1 part rice to 1 part water. Then, place the cooking pot in the rice cooker properly. Cover the pot. Select the cooking button right after the light on the rice cooker cook turns. Finally, when the rice has been cooked and is resilient, flip through the rice very gently using a rice spatula.
Can you show the language features? Then you just show the language features. Yeah. For the goal, step, and blah blah blah, you can skip that. Then you can show just for the language features. Okay, guys, look at on the whiteboard. Yeah, that is for their task for the language feature. First, example, give you example for simple present tense in the how to make rice in a cooker. Yeah.
Text 2. To compose a procedure text, you will need a present tense imperative. Rinse a cup of rice in the cold water. Rub the rice softly under the running water. Wash the rice once again. Drain the water from the rice. Action verbs: rub, cook, rinse. Number to show the sequence: first, next, then finally. Adverb: 1 part water, too long.
Yeah. Give a chance for the other group to ask you.
Any question of you all?
Dia kasih kesempatan untuk bertanya. Any question? Group 1, group 2, and group 3? 1, 3? Excuse me.
Yes.
We always
Okay, Rido.
we always eat 3 times to lose. We are not the nutrients.
Okay. So how many was the rice? How many? Berapa kali cucinya supaya nutrisinya nggak hilang?
3 kali.
Or just 3 times?
3 times.
Okay. Did you understand? Yes, just 3 times. We are not wash the rice too long. Ya, jadi kalau kita cuci baju nggak boleh terlalu lama. Okay, good. Give a applause for Vivi and Rido. Ya, lanjut. Nomor 3. Ada pertanyaan? Ada pertanyaan? Kita? Silakan bertanya kita atau siapa? Yuk.
Aku tahu jawabannya.
Louder your voice, Ita. Kita try to be question for
Pertanyaan.
tanyanya ke mana? Ke depan ya. Silakan ke depan, balik ke depan. Iya, Ita. Nah. Excuse me. Ya. Louder your voice. Keraskan suaranya kita.
What are the benefits of using a rice cooker?
Make it easier for us to make the rice with the modern tools.
Oke. Jadi kenapa harus pakai rice cooker gitu? Terus jawabannya apa?
Agar lebih mudah untuk memasak nasi.
Oke. Jadi kita mudah untuk memasak
Nasi.
Oke, hidup zaman sekarang tuh lebih canggih ya. Oke. So, any questions? Mati? Thank you, and you can sit down, please.
That's all for presentation. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Ma'am.
Thanks for making all hard work.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, group 3, prepare please, and then you can sit. You can stand up. Baby, ini baca.
Ini pembuka ya?
Ya, opening.
Dah.
Sewa. Ya, sewa. Ya. Alright. Okay. Go ahead.
Good morning, mom and friend. We are from group 3. My name is Fajar Satria.
My name is Eka Gebi Fadila.
My name is Jonathan Rivaldo Aditya Putra.
My name is Selamutia Ardiana.
My name is Ita Pascal Nambangu. My name is Siti Betty Nurjana.
My name is Rahel Michela.
Gambar pertama, an electrical device for making sounds.
Device for making toast. Yeah. Good. Teacher 2.
Animate kids manner pin is designed to pin rush.
Yeah, Gaby, nice. You can reading all of the text, please. Gaby. Gaby aja yang belajar. The third picture is a computer. Yeah.
A computer takes it problem for us with traveling.
Yeah. Next.
An electric magic
Mixing.
out in food preparation. Shopping and proving in curing ingredients.
Yeah.
A device that accept text and graphic output from a computer and transfer information to paper.
Yeah. Good job. So, they give you a picture and then the teacher gives the function of the picture. So let's now give you the time for the other group to ask your question. Yeah. Okay. Group 2 and group 1. Let's apa nih? Sekarang bertanya. Oh, oke, Maui. Next, I want to ask you. Have you been inspiration how to use an electrical device for making toast? And please continue how to use it.
Yes, first prepare the electrical device to plug into electrical city. Second prepare the brick, bread it in an electrical device. The sleeve, the brick, bread, and the jam. Finally, you can enjoy it.
Thank you, Mami. This is very long question, right? Pertanyaannya panjang, jadi bisa jawab ya. Itu udah prepare gitu. Oke, good. Next. Okay, what is the function of blender? Okay, what is the function of blender? Okay.
To help us in mixing machine used in food preparation, liquefy, cupping, and pure ingredients.
Okay, good. You can close your presentation. Ada lagi nggak pertanyaannya? The other group nothing question, so you can close your presentation. Let's take this. Okay.
That all presentation and thank you.
Thank you. Give a applause. So, I think that's all for our presentation and then our material today. But yeah. Ada pertanyaan sampai sini? Nothing. So, we can conclude our material today. So, what had been studied today? Sudah kita belajar apa hari ini? So, what is procedure text? Yeah, all of you. Apa itu procedure text? Ya, group 3 please, attention. Ya. Oke, tadi hari ini kita udah belajar procedure text. Yaitu procedure text adalah teks yang menjelaskan bagaimana menggunakan atau membuat sesuatu. Tujuannya yaitu untuk apa? Ya, menunjukkan kepada pembaca bagaimana menggunakan atau membuat sesuatu. Ada pertanyaan sampai sini? Nothing? If you are nothing, I want to deliver for the next material to the next meeting. That is, we can study for procedure text again, but in different situation, especially for instruction. Kalau hari ini kita udah belajar procedure text, especially for what? Untuk hari ini kita belajar procedure text, khususnya untuk pelajaran apa? Iya, bahasa Inggris, especially following the instruction procedure text, and then especially for, untuk apa? Tadi ada yang ingat nggak ini untuk apa? Iya, untuk explain how to operate, use, or make a sum. So next week we will be study for procedure text, especially for provides instruction, give the instruction how to make use a something. Jadi minggu depan kita akan we will practice our material like making a juice or noodles or bread ya, misalnya kita akan lebih praktek membuat sesuatu untuk minggu depan. Okay, from here any question? Nggak ada untuk materi hari ini? Ada pertanyaan nggak? Ya, ada. Kalau nggak ada pertanyaan, If you have a questions, you can sending on my WhatsApp or you can meet me on the office. Ya, kalau nggak ada pertanyaan, kalian boleh sending a WhatsApp, boleh tanya di WhatsApp. Atau kalau tidak, boleh ketemu Memvita di mana? Di kantor. Yeah, I think that's all for today for our material. You can enjoy and you can break after I close my material. Yeah. So I think that's all, and then you can prepare to the break, please. Thank you.
Stand up, please. Say thank you. Thank you,
Thank you, class, and see you next week. Bye-bye. Keluar, langsung keluar. TV keluar. Kita enjoy. Rafli, thank you.
Yes.